Meet the machine engineered for precise, efficient machining of symmetric workpieces. Handles drilling up to 590 mm and boring depths of 500 mm, ideal for large, heavy parts. The 37 kilowatts spindle offers high torque from 30 to 6,000 revolutions per minute for heavy cuts and fast finishing. Repeatability of plus-minus 0.0 to 5 mm per 2,000 mm ensures high precision. CNC system options include KND, GSK, and Siemens. Double-sided machining completes all in one setup, faster and more accurate. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.